Alright, Mama Cookie was walking and look what she found. She found pheasant back. And not only did she find one pheasant back, she found 2 pheasant backs. She found 3 pheasant backs. She found 4. She found a baby pheasant back. She found some hidden pheasant backs. And there's some more little pheasant backs. And there's a bunch more pheasant backs. There's a couple up in there. And there's some young ones that we won't mess with. So Mama Cookie found the pheasant backs. So now it's time to cut a few mushrooms and leave a few mushrooms go for the next time we come up. Because we have found a bunch of these today. Most of them are young. We'll talk to you later. Enjoy the beauty. That's a beautiful mushroom. And that is a beautiful mushroom. Bye.